Hi children, today we are going to learn about conjunction and A-N-D and conjunction and. Now what is conjunction? We need to know. Yes? Now, what is conjunction? The words conjunctions. Let's read together. The words that is used to join two words or sentences. Two words or sentences are called as conjunction. Conjunction is the word that is used to join two words or sentences are called as conjunction. So we are going to today learn conjunction and mainly the use of and joining two words or two sentences. Shall we look at our first picture? Look at the beautiful picture you have here. Let's read the sentence and identify and understand conjunction. Sam and Tom. Here is Sam, here is Tom. Sam and Tom are sitting under the tree. Joining two words, joining Sam, joining Tom. Sam, Tom, and. So the conjunction and. You see, we are put in white here to understand. Sam and Tom are sitting under the tree. Where are Sam and Tom sitting? They are sitting under the tree. So and is the conjunction. Shall we look at another picture? Good. Look at this. You know the nursery rhyme? Jack and Jill? Good. Here is Jack and here is Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Where did Jack and Jill go? They went up the hill. Jack and Jill and is the conjunction. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Up the hill. And is the conjunction. Good. Let's look at another picture. The use of and as conjunction in the sentence. Look at the rose. Lovely, beautiful rose. The rose is red and attractive. This rose is red and attractive. It attracts not only the eyes of people, but the bees and ants too. And is the conjunction. Okay? The rose is red and attract. And is the conjunction. Let's take another picture. Look at the sentence over here. There's a bat, there's a ball over here. I bought a bat and ball and a ball. I bought a bat and a ball. And is the conjunction. I bought a bat, I bought a ball. When you join two sentences, I bought a bat and ball. And a ball. And is the conjunction. You put it in white. Now you are able to understand conjunction. Joining two words. Good. Two sentences. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. Let's read the sentence. A beautiful picture. Let's read the sentence. My mother went to the market. Here's the market. My mother went to the market and bought fruits. She went to the market. That's one sentence. My mother went to the market. That's one sentence. She bought fruits. When you join the two sentences together, we say my mother went to the market and conjunction and bought some fruits. Yes. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look what you have. There is Tim and Tom. So she says, Tim and Tom are my best friends. What did she say? Tim and Tom. Tim and Tom are my best friends. Tim and is the conjunction. Are you enjoying the exercise? Shall we look at another picture? Look. You like to drink some hot, delicious, tasty soup? Here it is. Let's read. The soup is hot and tasty. Yummy. The soup is hot and tasty. And is the conjunction. Yes? Now you understand what is conjunction? Joining two words, hot, tasty. So, good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look. There's a huge ball here and two little girls are trying to push it. The ball is big and round. Joining two words, big, round. The ball is big and round, and conjunction. Who is pushing the ball? Susan and Mary. Susan and Mary, they're pushing the ball. The ball is big and round. And Susan and Mary, and. So today we are learning about conjunction, joining two words or sentences. Now you understand better? Good. Let's take another picture. Look. See what you have here. Lovely, gorgeous horse. Nice black beauties. Let's read the sentence. The horse is black and beautiful. The horse is black and beautiful. Black and beautiful. Okay? Black, beautiful, joined by and. Conjunction and. The horse is black and beautiful. So conjunction and. You understand better now? Good. Let's go to a new picture. See what you have. Zebra. Yes? Where do you find zebra? In the jungle, yes. Look at what is special about zebra? White and black stripes. Let's read the sentence. The zebra has black and white. Black and white stripes. Black and white stripes. And. Conjunction and. Joining black and white. Two words. Good. Let's go to a new picture now. See what you have here? You have a little girl. Got a smile and a grin. Yes? She always smiles. Always smile and grins. Grin is a short smile. Okay? She always smiles and grins. And smiles and grins joined by and. Junction. Very good. Let's go to a new picture now. See what you have here. Another lovely picture. She is fair and beautiful. How does she look? She looks fair and beautiful. What is in the picture? There are birds and a girl. And. So, and is the conjunction. And. Very good. I hope you understood. Shall we go to a new picture? Conjunction and is that's what you are dealing with. Here, look at the beautiful beach. Picture of a beach. Let's read the sentence. The beach is calm and clean. Calm because there's no breeze, nothing is there, everything is calm. And how does it look? Clean, calm and clean. Where is the conjunction? Here, and. The beach is calm and clean. Now you understood what is a conjunction? Shall we get another picture to look at and read aloud? Look. Here you have. Here's Ritu and Rita. Ritu and Rita are friends. Both are friends. Two words, two names. Ritu, Rita, be joined by conjunction and. Ritu and Rita are friends. Now you know, I'm sure you learned what is conjunction, how we join two words or two sentences together. Good. Let's go on to a new picture now. Look what you have here. This is mom and daughter here, okay? Mother and daughter, mother and daughter. What are they doing? Dressing up. They plan to go out. They're dressing up, combing the hair, dressing up nicely. Mother and daughter. And is the conjunction. What are they doing? They're dressing up. Good. Shall we look at another picture? See what you have here. You have your mom and dad. What are mom and dad doing? And it's the conjunction. Mom and dad are taking the baby out. Mom and dad are taking baby out. And, conjunction and. Mom and dad. Good. Let's go on to another picture. See what you have here. You have a cup and a saucer here. Cup, saucer. This is my cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. This is my cup and saucer. So we are joined two words, cup, saucer. And is the conjunction. I'm sure you understood, you learned what is conjunction, especially and the conjunction, the usage in the sentence, joining two words, two sentences together. I'm sure you understood well. Shall we go on to a new picture? Here we are. Look at this. You have a lovely cat, mama cat and kitten here. What are they doing? The cat and kitten, they are playing. The cat and kitten. And, conjunction and. Cat, kitten. Cat, the cat and kitten are playing. I hope you enjoyed this exercise.